my wording and I'm paying my toll. Because of silly phrases I could not recall. Klaatu barada nikto, I think, or whatever's written in that bloody ink. It had created a monster, most similarly shaped. I buried him in dirt, but then the dude escaped. Although he is undead, I'm gonna have my fun. He's stuck with me and has nowhere to run. I'm gonna play his game and I will win the girl. No woman can resist my metal hand, I'm told. I'm gonna fight the dead, revived by evil ash. I'll catapult his ass and burn his rotten flash. I've got a chainsaw hand and I need no bionics. You can call me an expert in necronomics. I've got a trunk of wonders from the future time, and all the groovy babes are gonna be mine.